Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do this easy half up, half down hairstyle in just a few minutes. I've started with putting a wave through the hair. I'll link the video above if you want to see how I've done this. Next, divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip this out of the way. Do this on both sides of the head. Then we're going to gather the crown of the hair into a ponytail and secure it with an elastic band at the back of the head. Gently pinch and pull at the top for a little bit more messy volume. Now taking that ponytail, I'm going to split it in half horizontally. Then I'm going to fold each half into the elastic band and secure it with another clear elastic band over the top, so it makes two little loops. Use your fingers to spread out those loops and then add some texture powder all over that little bun, and all I'm going to do is push the top of it forward and secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins so it doesn't flap about. Release the side sections down, and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face at the front, and with the rest of the hair from the ear up I'm going to twist this towards the head and then just hold it underneath that bun and secure with a pin or two. And then we're just going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side, so leave a little bit of hair out, take the rest of the hair from the ear up and twist it towards the head, place it just under the bun and secure with a bobby pin. And it really is that quick and easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.